ZenCube, a platform where your entire project ecosystem comes together. To log in to ZenCube as a domain expert, click Login on the homepage, enter your username and password, then click Sign in to access the platform. After logging in, you land on the dashboard. Here, you can view all projects assigned to you as a domain expert. Each project displays key details such as type, name, status, sprint progress, pending reviews, and recent activity. On the right, you'll find quick statistics showing upcoming projects, active work, pending reviews, delays, and unread messages across all projects. To explore a project in detail, click Open Project. Selecting Open Project takes you to the Project Details page. At the top, you can see the project name, along with key information such as dates, duration, and description. The Overview tab provides a quick summary of the project. In Assignments, you can view the domain expert and team members, along with key project statistics. You can also add new members, assign roles, and manage access. Moving to Sprints, you can see all sprints within the project along with their status. Selecting a sprint takes you directly to its Scrum view. In User Stories, you can view all stories across sprints. Selecting a story opens it directly in the Scrum board, where you can update its details and status. The Defects tab lists all identified issues. Selecting a defect takes you to the relevant item in the Scrum board for quick action. In Attachments, you can access all project files. You can preview, download, or delete documents as needed. The Evaluation section allows you to assess the project based on stories, sprints, and members. The Scoring Queue provides a consolidated view of all evaluation items. Within Story Rubrics, you can evaluate individual user stories based on defined criteria and submit a score. In Sprint Rubrics, sprints become eligible for evaluation once all their user stories are completed. You can rate each sprint based on performance metrics and submit the evaluation. Finally, Member Rubrics allows you to evaluate team members. This becomes available after all sprints are completed. You can rate each member based on defined criteria and submit their final evaluation. As a domain expert, you manage the execution flow through the Scrum board. You can create and organize user stories within sprints. User stories can be assigned to team members for execution, while tasks and defects can be created. The primary role is to define user stories and guide the workflow. This ensures a structured and scalable execution process. Evaluation begins with user stories. In the Evaluation section, access the Scoring Queue or navigate directly to Story Evaluations. Select a story to view its rubric criteria. Based on predefined parameters, assign a score out of 100. Once submitted, the evaluation is recorded and can be reviewed at any time. Next is Sprint Evaluation. A sprint becomes eligible only after all user stories within it are completed. Select the sprint to view its evaluation criteria. Rate each parameter on the defined scale, contributing to an overall score out of 100. Submit the evaluation to finalize the results. You can revisit submitted evaluations whenever needed. The final stage is Member Evaluation. This becomes available once all sprints in the project are completed. Select a team member to view their evaluation criteria. Assign ratings based on performance across defined parameters. Once submitted, the evaluation is recorded successfully. This completes the domain expert's evaluation process, ensuring structured and consistent assessment across the project. ZenCube brings clarity, structure, and collaboration into one seamless workspace. Plan better, execute faster, and achieve more with ZenCube.